So we're just leaving this beautiful 5-star Aspen village.
Funny enough, guys, we actually got this place completely free.
We try to limit our costs as much as we can because accommodation on the road can be quite expensive. So the way we usually get free accommodation on the road is we go and offer services.
Now guys, as you saw before, we're actually staying in a 5-star place. We actually stayed there completely free because we offered the owner free digital marketing.
So one big expense for us boys is a car wash. It's usually costs about $20 and we do it twice a week, but it's something that must be done while traveling.
So the main reason we have to keep the bottom of the car clean, even though it probably doesn't look that clean at the moment, is rust. So if the bottom of the car gets rust, considering it is an off-road car, it can completely mess the whole car up. Getting holes in exhaust, all of that sort of stuff is not what we need. So I'm gonna chuck another $5 in this and get this clean.
Another $2. What are we up to, like 10 bucks? $12. Came up.
Starting route to Kmart.
Real behind the scenes right now. Alright, so the amount of tripods we go through while filming is ridiculous, which is why we buy them cheap. Grab a couple of these for filming.
We don't invest in expensive tripods because we're constantly breaking them, so we just go for the cheapies. And if you're wondering how we get the first person shots, just this mouthpiece. Okay, we'll get a couple of them too.
Usually we try to catch as much as we can, but we don't really have luck, so this is another expensive food. So after 3 days of accommodation, I'm kind of excited to go camping again, man. One thing I love about camping is like waking up with the sun.
Yeah, that's one thing I've found when we've been staying in like apartments is I don't wake up till like 9:30, 10.
Yeah.
When we're camping, we're awake by like 8.
Yeah, like I have to force myself to wake up early in apartments, chuck myself in the shower to wake up. Otherwise, like, I could sleep in until 11.
Let's go, man. Thanks.
So there is a cheap way to do things and the quick way to do things. Obviously, if it's going to be quicker, it's going to cost more. So we bought these instead of fueling up a fire, as you saw in our last episode of cooking the camper oven. We'd have to fuel the fire for 3 hours. With these, we can just start them up and put the camp oven straight on. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Say sorry to Nathan.
Nathan, sorry. Just what I needed on my morning. Let's fill this up, another expense. We've spent about $350 on fuel this week, and that's actually a good week. Oh, look, she's wearing Mad Keen.
Oh yeah, she stole it.
Yeah, that's my one. The important thing when spending money is to have fun.
And this is why I always tend to stay in the car.
Thanks for that. I guess you can look at buying petrol as rent. So $350 is about the same as paying rent, but we choose to travel instead. Sorry, I'm filming.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
My vape broke and we said, sorry, Nathan. For those of you who don't know, Nathan he started off being a really big fan watching our Gone Wild Australia videos, and then we wanted to go fishing and he took us out. There's actually a video called Taking a Fan Out Fishing for Sharks. So Nathan has given me, that's a second vape he's given me just out of his pocket, just like as a good mate. And every 4 weeks something happens to my vape. I lost my last one and this one I've broken. So Nathan, I just want to apologize again. And if you could maybe send out some more of those plastic things.
I think the disposables are better for you.
I want good things in life.
We're currently on the way to someone's house to pick up some dive gear. Yeah, dive gear is really, really expensive. So we're budgeting by buying off Gumtree or the American version Craigslist. So we're pulling up now.
This would be worth like $500-600 minimum.
Yeah.
But I'm shattered he found it because it's all his size. Like he got so lucky. Hello.
So we got a dive watch.
And you finally got one. Cool. Rock fishing. Oh, okay. That is so cool. They're like at least like $50 each, I reckon.
This stuff brand new would have been what,
like $800, I reckon. A wetsuit 300. The flippers.
So let's quickly
at least 60.
You're just jealous.
I'm very jealous. They kind of do look like Yeezys. Guys, let's have a conversation in the comment section.
They're pretty cool. They got this strap here.
Brooke loves Velcro.
We better get
Yeah.
moving. We're still outside this lady's house.
Yeah. You have to do it now.
I made a wish.
Alright, so if you're a long-time viewer of the channel, you would know by now how much we love our free campsites. They're just the best. If we don't get a free campsite, some nights we're paying up to $80 for a powered site, which is crazy. So this is free, so we might stay here for a couple of days.
Hey, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke. I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV. It coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait until you in the mood. I've been running, came out gunning, stopped the fronting on your word. It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hate on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm on the earth till they put me in the dirt. I'ma get into it first.
What a nice day though.
To cook this roast, it would usually take 3 hours to burn wood to get coals hot enough. This is a quicker way. It should take about 10 minutes to heat up these coals. While this is burning, I'm gonna go for a swim. This is why you should always clean after you're done with stuff. Pretty sure the night we cooked this, yeah, this was for the shepherd's pie. Just using a rock. Welcome to the kitchen.
You slice your finger off.
Oh. Looks like a mango.
Yeah, we forgot oil.
Yeah. The good thing about roast is that you can just be so lazy with it. You don't need to chop anything up. Like most I'm going to do with this is just half it. Even with the garlic, we don't need to crush up the garlic. I love making pot roast. It's just so lazy and easy. Boom. and all these flavors are going to soak into the delicate meat and just suck it on. Chuck it in.
I mean, we're cooking. We're not buying meat pies and stuff like we used to, so we're slowly learning.
Yeah, I feel like meat pies and all those sausage rolls and stuff, they end up adding up. They end up being very expensive, and it's not the healthiest for you.
We literally went through a stage where we were spending like probably on Red Bulls and pies, probably like 40 a day.
At least 40. Yeah, I'd sometimes drink 5-6 Red Bulls in a day. That's like $30 just on Red Bulls. It's a healthier way to do it, guys. Might be a little bit more time consuming, but what the hell else do we have got to do with our day?
When you mentioned Red Bull, guys, this is a bit of a weird story. I'm not going to go into detail, but once my dad had to stay awake for 24 hours because of some family issue, and he had 24 Red Bulls over 24 hours.
Wow. How is he still alive,
When you said
man?
6, I'm like, yeah, we'll try 24.
24.
Like, he
It's
literally
like 1 an
he
hour.
bought a case.
Just popping them. Jeez. 24.
Let all the juices dribble.
Nice.
Oh, yes, look at that. Beef stocking itself.
Yep.
So I'd leave the string around it.
Yeah. It already smells really good. What is going on?
That is going to be absolutely delicious. Wow. All the flavors are just gonna erupt inside.
Yum. I love erupting juices.
Put some seasoning.
I think that's enough seasoning, man.
Tip if you're using a Dutch oven, make sure all the sand inside the lid is off because you don't want a sandy mill. Put 2 more. That is just crazy, crazy hot. You look cold.
Big snake. Never thought we'd see anything on the channel like
I
this.
don't know what sort of...
I don't know where it went, dude.
No, it's under your tent.
Oh. Where is it?
Alright, dude. I think we maybe should camp here.
Man, that was scary. But it was so cool. I want to pick it up. Oh, dude, is it like around us? What? We need to get this on camera. People are going to think we're bull crapping. Oh, how quick was it, man?
Dude, that's not... I don't like that how... Like, it's just gravel and you can't see
You can't even see it. Oh, man. I don't even want to go in my... What? Oh, dude.
Oh, you were saying, oh, I'm going to pick it up.
I am, but I don't want it to attack me. I thought snakes were a myth.
I think it's up. It's curled up one of the legs.
Did you keep an eye on it as I took the camera out?
Yeah, I reckon it's curled up underneath. So maybe shut the... shut the doors,
How
dude.
many things do you want me to do?
Dude, what the...
Where is it?
I really want to locate it because I don't like this. Because they can like climb up shit.
Alright, so that's a big rookie error on our end because if it's this hot, we should not be camping on rocks because they love to sunbake on rocks. So that's a lesson learned right there. I can't believe we saw a snake.
I reckon we should... I keep just telling Beau what to do. I'm like, alright, we'll get that ladder over and then we'll drive away and I'll just stand up here and film. I keep thinking that's a snake, that cord. I don't know how you're just so happily just walking around there.
Because, bro, what you have to think of, snakes are more scared of us than what we are of them.
Yeah, but
So
we
they
can't...
can hear vibrations.
Yeah,
so
but
that's
we
already gone.
can't disappear like... Just keep moving up a bit. Yeah, there's good.
I
just have a feeling it's because, dude, I kept an eye on it and it went straight under yours, and then
You reckon the food's attracting it?
maybe.
I'm not sure if my mind is playing tricks on me, but I heard us. Oh man.
Spiders any day. Snakes, I hate snakes. Can't relax.
Oh! Get out!
I have never seen you
It
run.
was on my shoulder. Little shit. I saw the camera when I got there. I'm like, you little dog. Oh, that looks ready, bro. Put that on. Caramelized.
That looks incredible.
I can't believe how quick it cooks. Oh wow.
I don't know about you, but this looks absolutely stunning. That snake's not around.
Yeah guys, it can be very expensive traveling, but we're gonna ask you in this video, leave it down in the comment section. Do you think it's worth traveling Australia?
At this current time, I think you need a little bit of money behind you.
You do.
Because there's a lot of unexpected. Like tomorrow, for instance, guys, I'm getting my car service, which is at least $800 just for a general service. Stressful.
It is stressful.
It seems like so easy. We were saying this the other day, guys. It seems so easy on like when we watch it back. Such an easy process.
There is a lot of work that goes behind it, but it makes moments like this just so good. Nice and moist. Ends are crispy. It's alright, I'll give you the fat. Just hold on. There you go, mate. Extended clips coming right up. Before they come, we just wanted to show you our merchandise. It's almost sold out, guys. If you head to gonewildaustralia.com, you can pick up your own Gone Wild Australia shirt for 75 AUD each. Also, a huge shout out to our Patreons. We have 19 at the moment, so thank you guys very, very much. If you do become a Patreon, you'll get access to behind the scenes, extended clips, posts, and information regarding our videos.
Off camera, did you find that roast like disgusting?
Needed a lot of salt.
Yeah, it was.
Nah, it was actually good. Like off camera.
I hated it. It's disgusting. We'll just
You
tie it.
ate like 6 pieces.
Yeah, I just did it for the shot.
You serious? Oh, you cheeky little
Yeah, like it needed a bit of salt. Nah, but that was delicious, guys. Like, I just really wanted to see. You didn't. I thought you'd be like, "Are you kidding me?"
Yeah, like off camera, I was actually like, yeah, sick. I'm like, what? You ate 6 pieces? You can't fake that.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, don't ever tease our cooking again.
So if you haven't watched the previous episode, go watch it. The link will be down in the description because that was an absolute banger. How to get on a stranger's boat, completely free. Well, pretty much free, yeah. And guys, if you're one of those people that continue to ask for pranks, guys, we're done with pranks. We've been done with pranks for 10 months.